Hi, students. In today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to use a mobile application called CamScanner to scan handwritten documents. During the COVID-19 pandemic, class has been suspended, as we all know, and cannot submit our assignments to our teachers directly. And that's why we have to learn how to use this CamScanner app to actually scan our handwritten assignments and make them a PDF file and upload them to Google Drive, and so that you can submit those PDF files to your teachers and your teachers can mark it for you. Let's see how we do it. Here comes step 1, installation. First, you go to the App Store if you're using iOS, and you go to Play Store if you are using an Android device. So you go to App Store here, the blue A here, and type CamScanner. CamScanner, C-A-M-S-C-A-N-N-E-R, CamScanner. Remember to pick this one, the one on top of all the others. This one you can see it's a very, very popular app with more than 26K comments, and you click download. So you've got to wait. So if you see the button open, it means that the app has been installed on your device. So you click on open, and here we have some more simple tutorial or introduction to this app. So you skip everything by swiping towards the left. Swipe, swipe, and here it says, well, do you want to buy this app to get the premium features? Remember, do not ever pay money to this app. It's free of charge. So click on this cross button here. Don't buy it. And here it says you may have to sign up for an account. Please do not sign up for an account, okay? Never sign up for this account. So click on use immediately. And click on back button here to go back, and all done. And it's not needed to have notification, okay? It's not an instant messaging app, so you click on not allowed. And this is the user interface of this app. The most important button is down below this camera icon. And this camera, as soon as you click on it, it will ask for permission to use your camera so that you can use that camera to scan your documents. So now we're up to step 3, to enter the scanning function. So now I'm going to click on the camera icon, and you'll see how it works. So you can click on it, and it asks for permission to use my camera. You click on yes, and click on the cross. Now you see what I can see on my camera. And this is basically my notebook and some sample lines. So now here comes the tricky part. It's the step 4. Remember to set scanning multiple pages. Do not only scan one page, always switch to scan multiple pages. So you click on this button, and it works. Now we're up to step 5. We're really going to scan this document. So remember, you need a highly contrasting background. Do not scan a white piece of document on a white desk. You have to make sure the margin is clear enough for the camera to differentiate the margin of that document. So click on the camera button. Okay, you see how it works. So assuming that we have 2 pages, so I'm going to take another picture of it. Second one. And so from that, you have to click on the button on the right hand side, at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. More accurately, as you can see, we have a number 2 here representing the number of pages that you have taken and the preview of the picture of the document. And you click on this button with an arrow, and you can see the documents that you have taken a picture for. And now we are up to step 6, rotate the picture. So just in case you have your picture rotated like this, horizontal, but it's supposed to be vertical portrait mode. You have to click on the icon, the button here. It says rotate anti-clockwise. So if it's like this, so you click rotate, rotate, rotate until it's upright. And you check that the second page of the document should be fine. From there, you try to adjust the margin. So where's the margin? You look at the screen, you can see a green rectangle there. You have to drag the edges or the vertex so that the document fits right in that green box. So if it's like this, if it's detected wrongly, you have to make it like this so that the green box fits directly on that document. That's how you adjust the margin, and then you adjust the margin for the second page. And the second page looks fine, so the detection works, so no margin adjustment has to be done. And then, what about brightness? But brightness, you have to click on the tick button at the bottom right hand corner first. So you click on that button, you can see the brightness has been changed. You click on the document one by one, like this one, and you can see it's slightly different from the picture. You can see the color, the background color has been flattened. It becomes white color. But then we have some flaws here. We have a patch of pink color down below. How do you erase it? Well, the best way to erase it or to get rid of that is to click on the button at the top right hand corner of your screen, which is to process that picture again. You click on that button, and then again the rotation screen, the rotation option, you click on the arrow button, the rightward arrow, click on that. You can see how it works, okay, to flatten the color. And down below we have a toolbar. You can change the color tone or the color scheme of this document. Well, this one is the original picture. You don't want it because you have some shadow there. Don't want that. This one, brighten, but not good enough. This one, flattened background, not good enough. What about this one? Black and white. In normal situations, I suggest you use black and white because the file size will be smaller. Plus, when the teachers have to print out your document, save some ink because only black and white ink or toner will be needed. But then the best one is actually this, saving ink. This is my personal preference. When you click on that, all the shadows, all the flaws will disappear. You can see the patch of pink color has been removed and only the words stay. And so you click on the tick icon here, click on that, so it's done. What about the second page? Well, the second page, of course, you have to do something similar again, but then when you click on the arrow button, it automatically does it for you, so you don't have to choose the color scheme again and again. So you click on the tick button, so now it's done. We have two perfect pages captured. From there, you click on the back button at the top left-hand corner of the screen, and then you see the two pages that we have captured. And here comes to step 8, the second last step. You have to change the file name so that when you upload it, you can easily recognize what document it is. And you click on the file name here. As you can see, it's the default file name with the date and the time clearly stated. You click on that, and a pop-up box appears, and you have to change the name of it. Well, math assignment 1. Okay, it's just a dummy name. So click on complete at the top right hand corner, and you can see the name's been changed. This is how you change the file name. And here comes the last step. You have to upload it to Google Drive. This is probably the trickiest step because it involves 2 applications on your mobile device. So click on the button, the share button here at the bottom. Click on that, and you have to click this button, share with PDF. Remember that PDF is the file format that you have to use click on share by using a PDF. And here we have some tag here, which we don't particularly want, but it's something that we cannot remove because it's the free version of this app. So click on share at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you can see in the middle you have a list of apps here, and I want you to click on more here, the rightmost button, and you find this app. This app is called Google Drive, and in Chinese it's 雲端硬碟, and you have to use this app, and please install it in advance. So click on this, and then it asks you which account you want to use. You use your school account, and then you have to choose what folder you want to put in. So you click on choose folder, and you go to my Google Drive, and then I have created a folder specifically for CamScanner. Here you can of course do the same thing just like me. Click on CamScanner, and then you can click on this button at the bottom right hand corner, save it here, and then it'll tell you, oh, it'll be saved in that folder. So click on upload, again at the top right hand corner of the screen, upload, and it says it's done.